Welcome to this lesson. Now that you know what SAP S/4HANA Cloud is, it's time to understand why it's such a big deal. In this lesson, we'll compare SAP S/4HANA Cloud to traditional ERP systems. Think older, on-premise ERP like earlier SAP ECC or other legacy packages. If the last lesson was about the shiny new sports car, this lesson is about comparing that sports car to the old reliable sedan and seeing just what improvements have been made. To put it in Apple terms, imagine comparing one of today's iPhones with a cell phone from the early 2000s. Both can make calls, but the iPhone is light years ahead in features, speed, and usability. Similarly, both traditional ERP and S/4HANA Cloud manage core business processes, but S/4HANA Cloud brings new levels of speed, intelligence, and flexibility. We'll highlight the key benefits and innovations that S/4HANA Cloud offers over older ERP setups. By the end, you should clearly see how a modern system can transform business operations in ways that older systems struggle to match. Ready to uncover the advantages of the new generation of ERP? Let's dive in. Let's break down the major advantages of SAP S/4HANA Cloud when compared to a traditional ERP system. Traditional ERPs, like older SAP systems or others from the 2000s, often rely on batch processing. For example, an old system might update inventory levels or run financial calculations overnight. In contrast, S/4HANA Cloud, with its in-memory HANA database, updates everything instantly. This means if Apple sells 1,000 iPhones in an hour during a new release, the inventory and revenue figures update right away across the system. There's no waiting until midnight for a report to run. Managers see the situation as it happens. The result is faster decision making and the ability to respond to issues or opportunities in the moment rather than a day or week later. With traditional ERP, companies like Apple would have to schedule big upgrade projects every few years to get new features or improvements, a costly and time-consuming effort. Plus, they'd need a team to maintain servers, apply patches, and ensure security. S/4HANA Cloud flips this model. SAP takes care of the infrastructure and pushes regular updates, usually multiple times a year, to all customers. So Apple's IT department wouldn't need to worry about when to upgrade or if the system is up to date. They'd always be on the latest version. This reduces downtime since updates are handled seamlessly by SAP, often during off hours, and lowers the burden on Apple's IT staff, freeing them to focus on more strategic tasks rather than routine maintenance. Many older ERPs have clunky, text-heavy interfaces that require a lot of training. S/4HANA Cloud with Fiori offers a modern app-like experience. This is a huge benefit in terms of user adoption and efficiency. Imagine an Apple Store employee in 2005 trying to use an ERP system. Likely, they'd have to use a desktop computer in a back office, navigating through complex menus. Now imagine that same scenario with S/4HANA Cloud. The employee could pull up a tablet, open a simple app-like screen to check product availability or record a stock transfer and get it done in seconds. The intuitive interface means less chance of user error and less training time needed. Plus, because it's web-based, people can access it on any device, including tablets and smartphones, which is essential for a mobile workforce. In traditional setups, reporting often required separate tools or data warehouses. A company might have to extract data from the ERP into Excel or another system to do analysis, which takes time and can lead to stale data. S4HANA Cloud has analytics built right in. Users can get real-time dashboards and even predictive insights on the fly. For Apple, this could mean a finance director can visualize current sales versus targets in real time on a dashboard, or a supply chain manager can see a heat map of inventory across all warehouses without needing to run a separate report. This tight integration of transactions and analytics helps in quicker understanding of business health and reduces reliance on IT or analysts to generate reports. Growing with a traditional ERP often meant significant investment, buying new servers, upgrading databases, and so on, not to mention time. With S4HANA Cloud, scaling up or down is much simpler. If Apple launches a new product line and suddenly needs to handle more transactions, SAP, as the cloud provider, can allocate more resources behind the scenes to accommodate the load. There's also flexibility in usage. If Apple were to open a new branch or subsidiary, they could quickly provide access to S4HANA Cloud to that new team via the internet without waiting for lengthy IT setup at that location. The cloud model thus supports business agility. The IT system is no longer a bottleneck for expansion or change. Because S4HANA Cloud is continually updated by SAP, companies automatically get the latest innovations. In older ERP systems, adopting new tech like AI or Internet of Things integration might require additional modules or even being on a newer version that a company hasn't upgraded to yet. With S4HANA Cloud, when SAP develops an AI-driven feature, say an algorithm that optimizes delivery routes or predicts machine maintenance needs, it can be rolled out to customers in an update. This means Apple could take advantage of cutting-edge capabilities without a special project. It future-proofs the business. The software will keep evolving with tech trends. Traditional ERPs, especially ones heavily customized over years, can become quite complex. Lots of custom code, add-ons, and so on. This complexity can make integrations with other systems or upgrades difficult. S4HANA Cloud, on the other hand, encourages a cleaner, more standardized approach. It uses modern APIs for integration, making it easier to connect with other software. For example, connecting Apple's e-commerce website or a supplier's system directly to S4HANA Cloud for automatic data exchange. Also, by using SAP's best practices and avoiding excessive customization, the system remains cleaner over time. This means fewer issues and easier adoption of updates because there aren't tons of custom modifications that could break. In short, businesses get a more sustainable system that plays well with the rest of their software landscape. Consider a concrete example to tie these benefits together. Suppose there's an unexpected surge in demand for iPads due to a new online learning trend. In a traditional ERP scenario, Apple's planners might not realize the surge until sales reports are compiled days later. And even if they do, increasing production might require IT to quickly add more server capacity or deal with system slowdowns. By the time all that's sorted, the opportunity might be missed or customers might face stockouts. In the S4HANA Cloud scenario, Apple's team sees the demand spike in real time on their dashboard. The system can handle the surge in transactions smoothly, and planners can immediately adjust production orders. Meanwhile, the AI in the system might even flag, hey, at this rate, certain components will run out in 2 weeks. Time to reorder now. All without human prompting. This illustrates how S4HANA Cloud's innovations translate to practical agility and intelligence in business operations. In summary, SAP S/4HANA Cloud brings a host of improvements over traditional ERP. It's faster, easier to use, more adaptive, and keeps you always on the latest capabilities. It's like upgrading from a basic phone to a smartphone. Once you experience the new features, it's hard to imagine going back. Companies that adopt solutions like S/4HANA Cloud position themselves to react quicker, work smarter, and innovate faster than those stuck on legacy platforms. In this lesson, we highlighted why SAP S/4HANA Cloud is not just a new version of ERP, but a significant leap forward. By comparing it to traditional ERP systems, you saw how technology advancements translate into tangible business benefits. Let's summarize the key points. S/4HANA Cloud provides instantaneous updates and analytics, whereas older ERPs often had delays with batch processing. This means companies can act on information immediately rather than waiting. With SAP managing the infrastructure and updates, businesses always run on the latest version with minimal effort. Traditional ERPs required heavy maintenance and periodic upgrades by the company's IT team. The modern, intuitive Fiori interface in S/4HANA Cloud makes it easier for users to do their jobs, improving productivity and reducing training time. Older systems, in contrast, could be cumbersome and intimidating for new users. S/4HANA Cloud comes with embedded analytics and emerging technologies, AI, ML, automation baked in, enabling smarter processes out of the box. Legacy ERPs often needed add-ons or external tools to achieve similar insights, and even then, the data might not have been real-time. Thanks to the cloud architecture, S/4HANA Cloud can scale and adapt as a business changes without the need for major rework. Traditional systems might struggle or incur high costs to keep up with fast growth or new business models. By understanding these benefits, you can appreciate why many companies are transitioning to cloud-based ERP solutions. Think about Apple one more time. A company at the forefront of innovation would likely demand the same from its internal systems. How crucial is it for Apple or any modern enterprise to have systems that can keep pace with real-time global markets? What competitive edge might they gain by analyzing data instantly, scaling operations on demand, and freeing employees from clunky software? These questions underscore the strategic importance of moving to newer platforms like S/4HANA Cloud. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how ERP systems function and why SAP S/4HANA Cloud represents a new era of enterprise software. As you reflect on these lessons, consider how you might apply this knowledge. Whether you're envisioning streamlining processes at a company like Apple or working on an ERP project of your own, the concepts you learned will be invaluable. What's your next step? Perhaps ask yourself, if you were leading a company's digital strategy, how would you leverage the power of SAP S/4HANA Cloud to drive success? The world of ERP is continually evolving, and with the foundation you built in this course, you're well prepared to be part of that evolution. Good luck on your ERP journey and keep innovating.